Mrs. Simone from Beverly Hills called me. I would like to ask you a question about my antique rug. Go ahead. She said, do you guarantee the removal of the bad odor? And I asked Mrs. Simone, what kind of odor you having in the rug? And she said, I don't know. I have two big dogs. They never peed on the rug. Never. However, the rug smelled funky. And it smelled like, I said, wet dog? She said, yes, this is the right answer. The wet dog. Do you guarantee? I said, allow me to explain to you, Mrs. Simone, what does it mean removing the wet dog smell? Removing the wet dog smell, it means removing the odor, not using deodorizer to cover the odor. So when you hire my service, I guarantee in writing the removal of the odor without covering up with a deodorizer or enzyme. You pay me to remove the odor, not to cover it up with a deodorizer. This is my specialties, and this is what I do for living, and I invented a cleaning process that's remove the odor, remove it by washing the Oriental rug through the rug with a cleaning product that it is odor-free. The difference between PetPeePee company and all the other Oriental rug cleaner around the world, my cleaning product is odor-free. And I build a machine, the XpetPee Machine, that's wash the rug through the fiber. This cleaning process wash the rug from the top to the bottom with a cleaning product, then it's odor-free. So I never cover the rug with some beautiful smell till you pay me. PetPeePee, when you hire anybody in your neighborhood, ask them, do you guarantee upon delivery Oriental rug free from the bad odor, the foul odor, and never use any deodorizer or enzyme on the rug? This will give you indication if your Oriental rug cleaner near you can accomplish the desire that you're looking for. PetPeePee, ask many questions before you let your rug go for cleaning, because after you let it go, if it will come back to you with a color run or with the smell of deodorizer, it will aggravate you, it will disappoint you, because this is not what you paid for. PetPeePee, we clean Oriental rug by using odor-free cleaning product from the Dead Sea, my secret cleaner solution. Thank you for watching the PetPeePee.
My dog peed on the carpet.